are certain moments in the flowing river of time when scientific ideas take a form of art. Robert Koch, a country physician in 19th century, sketched some beautiful illustrations of anthrax bacillus. He observed that bacillus under microscope. In the intricate dance of life, every cell, every molecule, the biomolecules, tell us a story. In the storytelling of scientific observations, here enters the smooth blend of art and science, the bioaesthetics. In this bioaesthetics, the observed facts transcend the sterile labs and become a canvas of wonder. A legacy to tell the story of that research. Yes, this is the place where learning becomes a joy. Yes, learning becomes fun.